Hey guys, a little Sunday morning vlog here. I think that's what they call it, right? Is that a video log, video blog? Is a vlog? I don't know. I'm new to this stuff. So enough with this back and forth with these guys. Except I am republishing the video from last night just so more of you can see it. I should put it as a premiere, but I didn't. But it doesn't matter. So let's get off of that for a second. I forgot something happened Friday. Now, if you guys have been following the channel for the last few months, you would see that there's a certain one of my distributors that I've had problems with, and you know, I've had delivery issues. There's issues with them leaving my pricing with customers. I tried to return some stuff, and they, you know, they wouldn't take it because it was dirty. Well, they did something else. So I'm going to show you the picture real quick. So it'll be right here. Okay, so you saw that picture. So they weren't taking stuff back that was dirty. But I wasn't able to be on this job site on Friday, and they delivered some stuff, and they delivered it outside, as you can see, out in the dirt. So, I guess I can't return that then, huh? It's kind of funny that that they want to play these games with me, but you know, it is what it is. After everything we've been through, you know, I had a post where I read a letter that the guy said they're going to put their best foot forward. Now, that's not him, and that's not his fault. And I will say this, that you know, he is trying to make amends. Let me spit it out here on this Sunday morning. I'm still kind of waking up. I didn't drink any coffee yet either, so but you know, he sent me an email, and I read that on a post. If you guys want to see the whole chain of events, just search Distributor in my videos, and that'll get you caught up. You know, I've had, I don't know, this is probably the video number 15 or something. But yeah, they just leave the stuff sitting outside. You know, so what I had to do is I had to go run across town and you know, go put it under cover like I told them to. It's even in the notes when I do my orders. It says, please make sure the stuff gets under cover. Now, it's been dry here. It hasn't rained here for, gosh, it seems like, I don't know, it seems like 6 months. I mean, it just has not rained here at all. There's been some sprinkles here and there, but nothing to write home about. But still, put the stuff under cover. You never know. Every once in a while, we'll get a freak shower that pops up that wasn't forecast. And you know, I don't want my stuff getting rained on. So, you know, just another problem in the long line of problems I've had with my distributors. And God, I hope it gets better. I know what you guys are going to say too, like you said in the other videos. Why don't I just go pick it up myself? Why should I? They offer free delivery. I should be able to have them do it without issues, right? So yeah, I'm just kicking back. I should have got some coffee before I kicked back here. I'm tired. I've been going a little too hard, you know, personally too, partying, and you know, like I'm a teenager still, and I shouldn't. But you know, such is life. But I have been making sure every morning I get up, I take my vitamins and I do my little workout. I do a few push-ups here and there and try to keep myself physically fit, because 47, pretty soon I'll be as old as dirt, or well, I won't say his name, old as TC. Just joking. I'll be there. We're all going to be there. Beats being 6 feet under. So, just wanted to say hi real quick. Wanted to fill you guys in on some more issues I'm having with the distributors, and yeah. And I know that's backwards. That says Al Bundy 2024. That tells you what I think about politics on my channel. So anyway, I'm going to sign out. I just want to do a quick, I want to keep this about 5 minutes. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to be out at that house I really, really hate, doing some humidifier work. And if I get done, I get done. If I don't, I don't. I'll see you then.